Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Revolut to Kraken. For that, you need to first launch your Kraken mobile. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Revolut mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you are on the home page, you need to go to the crypto section in the top and then you need to tap on the send button. Then you need to choose the cryptocurrency that you would like to send. Afterwards, you need to select one of the already added compatible wallets, or you can even tap on the new one in order to add new address. You can also paste a new wallet address in the search bar to proceed. So you need to open your Kraken app, and from there you just have to select the same crypto that you have selected in Revolut. Then you need to press the deposit button, and after that you will have to just copy the deposit address from Kraken. Then you simply need to paste by tapping on the new button, and then you will have to proceed on the next page. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw or send, and after entering it you need to tap on the send button in the bottom. Then you need to review the transfer and check the details and network, and if everything is correct you need to press the confirm button or you need to tap the send button. After confirming the transaction, you can't cancel or reverse it, so we can't retrieve funds sent to the incorrect address or using the incorrect network. So you need to make sure that the network that you have added is correct. We suggest initiating a transaction with a small amount when using a new wallet for the very first time to ensure that the recipient address is accurate and withdrawals are processed correctly. If wallets isn't available, you may not be eligible for blockchain withdrawals due to location or selected currency. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.